I don't want you to suffer from anxiety any longer, and there's no reason why you should be. Whether it's weeks, months, years or decades, I can show you a quick and easy technique you can do on yourself to relieve your anxiety. So stay tuned, I'll show you what to do after this disclaimer. Before we go any further, just a quick disclaimer. This is only a demonstration video. It may help you a lot and the technique is easy to use, but please, if you're having issues, please see a doctor or practitioner. All we're going to do is tap on various points of the body while saying different phrases and thinking about what you're worried about or what you're anxious about. I'm going to do this in one take because anybody can do this. So it doesn't matter if you get the words wrong or whatever. So it doesn't matter if I get the words wrong. Just copy the technique, copy what I'm doing, and your anxiety or your worries will go down very quickly. So, what you're worried about. So think of what you're worried about or what you're anxious about and score it on a scale of 0 to 10, with 10 being terrible and 0 being nothing to worry about. If it's a 0, then obviously you need to pick another thing. Okay, so think of a score of a scale of 0 to 10. Keep that in your mind. And think about what you're worried about in your mind as we tap. So we start off with the karate chop point there. And we tap with 2 fingers, just like that. Nice casual pace. It doesn't matter how fast or how slow, just whatever feels comfortable. And repeat after me. And don't worry if you get the words wrong slightly. Okay, so repeat after me. Even though I have this anxiety and worry, I completely accept myself. Even though I have this anxiety and worry, I completely accept myself. Even though I have this worry in my mind, I completely and totally accept myself anyway. Tap 2 fingers just above the eyebrow and think about what you're worried about. This anxiety, side of the eye, this worry, underneath the eye, this worry that I have, underneath the nose, this worry that's troubling me, on the chin, this worry that I have, now on the collarbone, breathe in, this worry that I would like to release, whole hand under the armpit, this worry that I would like to release now, now top of the head, a bit like a spider, this worry that I would like to release now. Now think about your score again on a scale of 0 to 10. Has it changed? Hopefully it's gone down a little bit. But we really want it to go down to a 0 or a 1 or 2. So all we've got to do is repeat the process. And you can do the same words or you can change the words. Anything you like. Again, karate chop point. Even though I'm feeling anxious, I completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling worried, I completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling worried and anxious, I completely and totally accept myself anyway. This worry, this anxiety, underneath the eye, this worry that I have, under the nose, this worry that I have, on the chin, this anxiety, collarbone, breathe in, this anxiety that I would like to get rid of, underneath the arm, this anxiety that I would like to get rid of now, top of the head, all fingers, this anxiety that I would like to release now. Okay, if you're unsure of the tapping points or if you miss 1 or 2, doesn't matter. But if you're unsure of the tapping points, there is a video on this channel to explain them all. But if you miss one or if you mumble the words or anything like that, it doesn't matter. Okay, what's the scale 0 to 10 of the thing you're worried about? Probably gone down a bit. I mean, I'm feeling more relaxed just doing this demonstration. Okay, so again, we can do this as many times as you like, and you can do it wherever you want, out and about, or in private if you prefer. It's so easy. So maybe change the words a little bit this time. Even though I still have some worry and anxiety, I completely accept myself. Even though I still have some worry and anxiety, I completely accept myself. Even though I still have some worry on my mind, I completely and totally accept myself anyway. Above the eye, this anxiety that I still have. Side of the eye, this anxiety that's still remaining. Underneath the eye, this worry that I still have. Under the nose, this worry that I still have. Above the chin, this worry that still remains. Collarbone, breathe in. This worry that I would like to release. Underneath the arm, this worry that I would like to release now. Top of the head, this worry that I would like to release now. Okay, so what's the score? 0 to 10. Probably a 5, maybe a 6. Repeat and repeat and repeat until your score's down to a 0 or 1. Of course, if you have any questions, then just leave a comment below. So keep repeating that process until your score's a 0 or 1, or maybe a 2. But keep doing it. It's so easy. It takes a few minutes. And eventually, you'll get down to the good level. But I like to finish off with some positivity. So same again, just different words. My name's Andy. Obviously, use your own name. My name's Andy, and I feel confident in this situation. My name's Andy, and I feel confident and relaxed in this situation. My name's Andy, and I feel confident and relaxed in this situation at all times. Still think about the thing you were worried about. I feel confident. I feel relaxed. I feel confident in this situation now. I feel relaxed in this situation now. There was never anything to worry about. I feel so relaxed in this situation now. I feel so confident in this situation now. Everything's great. Everything's fine. Okay, that's just a simple demonstration of EFT. Just tap on various points of the body. It's so easy. Make up your own words if you want to. If not, watch some of my videos and follow along. Of course, if something's really serious, then go see a professional. But EFT is such an easy thing to relieve general anxiety or things you're worried about. So just copy. Learn the tapping points and copy. Anytime you feel a bit anxious about a situation you need to go to or something's on your mind, just tap. Do it anytime you like. It's so easy. If you want any help, leave a comment below. And I'll keep making these videos because if it just helps one person, it's worth making them. Okay, see you next time.